Now we are in the topic migration to escape violence, wars, or conflicts. Now I'm repeating again that we are in the topic migration. People also migrate due to escape from violence, wars, or conflicts. People are forced to migrate from a place if they are victimized on the basis of race, religion, political views, etc. If war or conflicts break out in a country or a region, people are forced to leave their homes to seek refuge in another countries. They return to their homes as things will be normalized. Then we have that migration as a way of life. Sometimes people also migrate uh, because of their way of life, that they are living this kind of life, that they don't have their permanent homes, they have their temporary homes, so that they can migrate from one place to another. That migration as a way of life. Some people spend their lives migrating, living in temporary homes such as tents or caravans. They move from place to place to find food and water for themselves and their livestock. The nomadic people of the third desert migrate twice each year. Even if there is no drought, they make a living from their livestock, but they also go to work for farmers when wheat and rice are sown and harvested. Now we are in the topic migration due to natural disasters. Sometimes people wants to migrate due to the natural disaster that happen in their home country. People also migrate if the lands or the place where they live has been damaged by natural disasters such as floods, drought, earthquakes, pollution. The earthquake that in 2005, we remember this thing that hits Azad Kashmir and the northern parts of Pakistan, that forced thousands of people to move from their homes, and they were provided shelter in their temporary homes in Islamabad and other parts of the country. They, these those peoples are called internally displaced persons. Now we are in the we discussed the reasons that why the people migrate from their home country to new country. We discuss first the what is the migration, then we discuss international migration means, then we discuss the reasons why the people migrate, what are the reasons behind along with the examples. After that we discuss individually one by one all the reasons. Now we are in the topic advantages and disadvantages of migrations. If the people migrate, there are some advantages and disadvantages as well. The process of migration not only affects the lives of the migrant, but also the places from and to which they move. And the people that they come from, as where the migrants come from, obviously they need the accommodation, the residential place they wanted, access to services such as hospitals, schools, etc., clean water they wanted, the main factor, food, sanitation. Migration has many advantages. That is, if the host country has the resources to accommodate immigrant, countries where there is a lack of human resources or workforce encourage immigrations. They want people from other countries to work for them to overcome the shortage of workers, and the immigrants can be very helpful in this case. This you can say come in the advantages of migration. Immigration Migration can give rise to a number of serious problems too, and this can come in the disadvantages of migration as well. Shortage of labor could be created in the country from where people immigrate. Sometimes the immigrant population can become a burden on the host country, which has limited resources for its citizens. As a result, the people of the host country might have to pay higher taxes. The population of the host country also increases due to the number of the immigrant. Obviously, the people also come from the outside country, so the number of the population of the host country increases in this term, and this create problems like if the population increase, so obviously the problem create in unemployment and the shortage of housing, food and water. Due to poor living condition, many immigrants have to live in poverty, and some may turn to crime. Now, the last topic that we have, illegal immigration. Many countries around the world, including Pakistan, are facing the problem of illegal immigration. And unluckily, many people from other countries enter Pakistan without legal permission. And it is thought that in Karachi alone, there are thousands of illegal immigrants, mainly doing unskilled work in industries such as construction. Prominent among them are people working as domestic help from Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Afghanistan. Now, this is the whole explanation of the chapter unit 11, migration. Thank you.